mga sis, sinimulan na natin ang episode with a soul hit from the 70s na What's Going On na pinasikat ni Marvin Gaye. Nako, ito na. Itutuloy pa natin ang 70s hit back with this 1978 Bobby Caldwell song na ngayon umaga ay iduduet ng isang Pinoy idol at isang certified soul idol. Mga sis, Bobby Navarro and JR. Robbie Navarro and JR, what did you want up?
Go, JR!
Hey! I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in the daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. No, no. People go around the world for love, and they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do, do for love, do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up.
Oh, yes.
No, in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. Oh. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. I'm in the days from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go, let go. But then I only want the best, it's true. I can't believe the things I do for you. But you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you don't give up. In my world, only you makes me do for love what I would not do. Oh no, make me do for love. Every day I know, yeah, what I do for love. Ooh, yeah.
Matalino, teki, ginikero, guapo, gentleman. Matalino, teki, ginikero.
Mga sis Pinoy idols, Penelope, they are with Anita Baker's 80s soul hit, Sweet Love.
Hey, with all my heart, I love you, baby. Stay with me, and you will see my heart will hold you, baby. Never leave, 'cause I believe I'm in love. Sweet love, hear me calling out your name. I feel no shame, I'm in love. Sweet love, don't you ever go away. It'll always be this way.
Oh, your heart is closer to you. I will be all that you need. Just trust in what we're feeling. Never leave us, baby. I believe in this love, sweet love. Hear me call. this way.
There's no stronger love in this world. Oh, baby, no, I'm your man, you're my girl. I'll never go, wait and see, can't go wrong. Don't you know this is where you belong? Sweetest dream, how lovely, baby. Stay right here, never there will be all that you need.
Never leave, 'cause baby, I believe I'm in love. Sweet love, hear me calling out your name. I feel no shame, I'm in love. Sweet love, don't you ever go away. It'll always be this way. Oh.
Thank you! Oo.
Sabi ko talaga, thank
Sweet
you!
love.
Thank you, Penelope
Sila.
and Jay.
Yeah, thank you. We love that song, my gosh.
JR, bumalik ka dito, dali!
Ay, JR, dito ka muna. Maraming in love sa mga kanta ni JR. Kaya ngayong umaga,
Oh.
may chance sila na patunayan ito sa ating game na JR Birit, ikulot na malupit.
Ba?
We have 3 studio contestants.
Okay, tatlo.
Sasample ni JR ng konti.
Okay.
Ang line from her, promise no one else comes close. Tapos, gagayahin nila si JR.
Ah, okay. So tawagin na natin yung ating tatlong studio audience. Si
Sino
Rolly, si Jonathan, and si Nolly.
Halika
Come on,
na.
boys! Let's go!
Boys, dito kayo.
Ito, bigyan muna tayo ng sample ni JR ng kanyang Carry
No
Your
one else comes close.
single.
Oo, makinig kayo, ha?
Tinan mo
Boys?
si, si Nolly, yung patilya niya, bland.
Ay, of course.
Ganyan talaga dito sa sis, bland ang mga
May
patilya.
sobra kasi dito eh.
May sobra.
nilagay
Oo,
dito.
pati
sa
patilya
paligid.
meron. Oh, makinig
Sana sa
kayo.
kulay din.
Okay, go JR, sample.
So, kulot-kulot dapat, no?
Kulot-kulot.
Kasi mas kulot pa sa buhok
Okay.
ko. Game.
Guys, gayaan nyo to, ha?
No one else comes close to you. No one makes me feel the way you do.
Grabe. OA naman ang pagkakulot
na.
nun.
Nagtuturoan nga sila.
Oh, ayan, sasali-sali kayo, nagtutulakan kayo
Hindi,
dyan.
ito na. Basta yung version nyo na lang. Yung version nyo na
Ayan,
medyo kulot-kulot version.
galing.
Okay,
Nolly,
go
you can do
Nolly.
it.
Nolly, bilis. Dilaw pa naman yung buhok mo.
Dali na.
Ulitin daw, ulitin daw.
Repeat daw.
Ulitin
Repeat
na,
the
repeat.
sample.
Hindi mo naman kailangan super gayahin talaga yung ginawa niya. Yung slight lang.
Gayaan nyo, ha?
Ito na, this is it.
No one else comes close to you. No one makes me feel the way you do.
Ala, tinignan na lang niya si JR. Paano
Parang
ba yan?
ayaw na, kahit mag-attempt, ayaw na.
Wala na, nagtutulakan na.
Kaya nga.
Come on, Ra. Come on.
Sige, try nyo lang, try nyo lang.
Okay,
At na sila, pwede daw ba bumak out?
Jonathan, you can do it.
Bumak out.
Kahit anong version
Antayin
nyo.
mo lang.
Jonathan,
Antayin mo
kahit
lang.
anong
Kaya mo
version
yan.
nyo.
Ayan.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready, sis? Pag hindi ka kumanta, ako kakanta. Sige ka. Go! Diyos ko. Ay!
O, go
Ready?
Jonathan. Alam niyo ba yung kanta?
Alam mo, Jonathan, malapit na mag-Itbulaga. Halika na.
No one else come close to you.
Yeah.